Hi, my name is Zara Williams. I'm a sophomore majoring in computer science at Camino College. During my first year of high school, I learned about a unique program called the Warrior-Toro Computer Science Pathway. When I heard about this program, I immediately wanted to apply because they offer something that no other college is offering right now. With being in the program, you get a guaranteed seat in every single class that you would need for the next 4 years. So that means that you don't have to be on any wait lists. No professor has to approve you for being in their class if there isn't enough seats. So that's a really nice opportunity to have. The next thing is a learning community. So you'll be taking classes with all the students that are in your current cohort that are also pursuing computer science. So you get to take the same classes at the same time. You get to learn, tutor each other as well. And you also get to form friendships. Next thing, you get a lot of support. And this actually might be the most important thing because this is the main thing that people need when they go to college. So scholarships, internships, tutoring. And we have professional development workshops as well. So you could voice your problems to the cohort, or if you just want to talk about your experiences or talk about school, if you're struggling, if you're having a great time, anything really. My first summer, we had completed a workshop with Google, and we even visited the campus that's here in LA. This year, my cohort will be completing IPS, which is a workshop designed to help us secure a paid internship next summer. If you are interested in computer science and in being part of a cohort-style learning community, I highly recommend that you attend an information session to learn more.